Hello viewers, today I'm going to guide you the steps to switch from Visible to Mint Mobile. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. First, Mint Mobile works on T-Mobile's 4G LTE and 5G network with wide coverage, so make sure your phone is unlocked and compatible using Mint Mobile's compatibility checker. If your device is locked, then contact Visible to request an unlock. Now to transfer your number, collect your Visible account number, port out PIN and billing zip code. Once you have them, then choose a Mint Mobile prepaid plan between 15 GB, 20 GB and free calls text to Canada and Mexico. Then select your SIM type. You can choose between physical and eSIM. Download the Mint Mobile application or go to their activation page, and here enter your Mint SIM card number to begin activation. Then select transfer my number and enter the required visible details. Now follow the prompts to finish the activation process. For multiple lines, you have to activate each line separately. At last, restart your phone, make a test call and sign into your Mint Mobile account to review your plan. And that's all.